Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Friday. Yes, I do not post on Fridays, but I did leave a poll asking if y'all would like to see a YouTube paycheck and also a end of like the closeout for the month. So we are going to be filming, or you're going to be watching this on Friday, and then the closeout will be on Saturday, which is going to be tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. So we did get paid. This is our first YouTube paycheck of 2022. Now I am a smaller YouTube channel, so I'm not going to get paid every single month, but it is very nice to have a paycheck from YouTube just so I can put it towards, debt or taxes or any of our sinking funds, which that is what we're going to be doing this week with this paycheck, or this month with this paycheck. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join my family, and we are going to go ahead and get started. So I have a little layout right here, and it has a little bit of a envelope stuffing, but we are also going to be doing a sinking fund. So we are going to be doing the sinking fund because I didn't do it last time for the paycheck number 2 because pretty much all of that went towards bills, but we are going to be stuffing that as well with the YouTube paycheck. So I did, break it down and everything. So for YouTube paycheck, we did get paid $107. I did go ahead and just left the $7 in the bank. So we are just going to be working with $100. But as you can see, there is a 2021 taxes. So we did go ahead and do our taxes for 2021, and we do not have to pay anything, you guys. We're actually getting a pretty good one back. So I will do a whole video on what we're going to be doing, and that's going to be exciting. Jared and I, which is my husband, we did file together, so that's probably why we're getting a bigger tax refund. But so for 2021, we didn't have to pay for any taxes. So if y'all remember last year when I think we did one YouTube paycheck. Every time I put back taxes just so I can make sure that we have enough to pay if we have to pay. Now this one is actually, I had to separate it with the paper clip. This is actually the start of 2022, and this is from our eBay store. So I did put $5 back, but we have 2, 40, 60, 80. So we have $80 from last year that we saved. So we're just going to put that together. So actually we're going to be having $180 to do with the YouTube paycheck and plus our taxes. So I'm going to go ahead and just do $80 right there. I think I'm going to try to do a different color just so y'all can see. Now with the taxes, I'm not going to do $180 times the taxes. I'm actually just going to do the $100 times 20%, which is going to be $20. So let's do, actually it's 107 times 0.2 is 21.40. So I'm literally just going to do $20 because I actually don't have any ones. So we're going to go ahead and do $20 for that. Hopefully y'all can see that. I believe the sun is, in a way, because I'm literally right beside a window. So I'm going to try to do that, but it's going to be fine. All right, so moving on to the envelope stuffing. So taxes is going to be getting $20. YouTube, which my YouTube envelope is strictly, if I have to buy something off of Etsy to support some small businesses, if I have to buy, pay the difference for my Erin Condren planner, anything like that, that actually goes in a separate envelope. And that is actually going to be getting $20 as well. Debt is going to be going $40, and we are going to put that towards one of our credit cards that I'm so close. It's actually like $1,400, but with the taxes coming up, I am hopefully planning on paying all of that off, or most of it, at least $1,000 off. So that's going to be super exciting. Now moving on to the sinking funds. For medical, we are going to be putting $10. For car maintenance, we're going to be doing $10 as well. And I put that in the wrong line, but That's okay, you guys. Renewal, we are putting $10 as well. A lot of these are going to be doing $10. Special occasion is going to be getting $20, and that's for the upcoming, the upcoming wedding in June. And I need to pick another color because that blue is not working for me. Let's do this blue and see. All right, vacation at the end of this month, I am going to be going to Mexico. So that's going to be really exciting. It's for a bachelorette trip, and I'm just saving up money for the excursion and, anything off the boat. So that is going to be $20. Home is going to be $10 because I do have to start, save it up for the HOA fee that is going to be due in July. Christmas is not going to get anything. Beauty, I really want to get my hair cut before Mexico, so I am going to be putting $10 in that. And then Dobby will be getting $10 because he soon needs to go to the groomers again. So that is what we are going to be putting in. And we're just going to add all of that together. 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals $100. And then the rest is going to be going towards, the taxes and everything that we just filled out. So we are going to flip that back around, and we're going to get our money ready to go. Now, you notice that I do have a lot of 10s, and I did pull from my $10 challenge because I really needed the change for that, but that is going to be okay. Let's get the 10s and then the 5s. Let's set all of that up really well for you guys, a little aesthetic, if you will. All right, so first off is going to be the taxes. And this is from the other one. So taxes is going to be getting $20. And we have $25. So we're going to put that right there. Let's see. And then YouTube is going to get $20. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now, I only stuff this when I get a YouTube paycheck. I don't stuff it often because I really don't buy anything really. So that is $24. Debt is going to be getting $40. I'm just going to set this aside. I think I have, let's just put it in here. This is the miscellaneous envelope. So we're going to put $40 in here, and I will go and deposit that later. And we're going to do $40. Okay, and we are going to flip it all the way around, and we are going to start with medical. So medical is going to be getting $10. And we don't have a lot. This is my receipt, actually. So we have 10, 15, and 16. So $16. And I do have a doctor's appointment coming up. It's definitely not going to cover that, but we do get a paycheck next week as well. Car maintenance is getting 10, so we have $30 going in. I don't have anything right now for car maintenance, so we are good on that. Just keep building that up. Renewal is $10, 20, 30, and 31. I don't really have anything until May, so we're going to build that up as well. Hopefully with taxes, I can cap that out. Special occasion is getting $20. So 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. So that's $70. Vacation is going to be getting $20. Now I don't have much right now, and I only have like less than 4 weeks to save up as much as I can. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, and 67, which Jared's going to give me some money as well for it. So I'm not too worried about that. Home is getting $10, so we are saving up for the HOA, which I said that. Let's do the 2 5s. Yeah, 2 5s. So 5, 10, and 15. We have $15 right there. And then Christmas is not getting anything, but if you are new to my channel, I do the Ibotta app, so that is where most of my Christmas fun will be coming out of this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I don't really stuff this as much. I mean, honestly, I probably could get rid of this, but just in case I find something, you know, right now, because Ibotta is actually on the app and I haven't, you know, withdraw anything like that yet. Beauty is getting 10. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So $19. And then Dobby is getting $10. So we have 10 and 15. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and add all of that together, and let's see how much we have in our sinking funds, which we're not going to have much. If you saw my last paycheck, you would know that we had like $200 in home, but we did have to pay our HOA, which we pay our HOA twice a year, and it's $220. So that is why we don't have much in our sinking funds. All right, so that is it, you guys. So we did our YouTube paycheck, we did our taxes, we put some stuff towards debt as well, and then we did our sinking funds, which is great because we didn't get to do it last paycheck. So this is my YouTube paycheck of the first year of 2022. I'm so happy you guys came by, you know, stopped by, and I'm really thankful for you guys for, you know, voting on the polls and everything. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a closeout of February, which is going to be really, really fun. So stick around for that, and I will see you guys later. Bye.